Ah, what a nice day in the airport. I agree. Me too. Hope nothing goes wrong. Oh my goodness, what is over there? Everybody brace! Ah! Vroom! Ah, what just happened? So scary! I think there's something wrong. Why is there a block thingy over there? I don't know. Maybe looks like there is somebody. Or maybe there's a roadwork. Hold on, let me push the doors out. Oh, why is it so hard to push the doors? Let me try it. Oh, so yeah. Wait, guys. There is some doors over there. Wait, I think I just saw some from the show. I see from YouTube they said there was a PCF airport. There's a doors on the train. Oh, looks like it. Let's go check it out. Okay, I'll push in soon. Okay, let me see what time should I push in. Okay, get ready. Let's push. 3, 2, 1. I think that's not a bigger thing to put. Okay, let me push a bit more. Oh my goodness, just lost strength. Okay, looks good enough, but that's only the bird can only escape here. But what about the rest? I think I got a great idea. Okay, guys, escape. Hurry up. Okay. Wait, where do I escape? Just climb up. Oh, it's a great idea. Okay, but go. Okay, but what about you, merlion? Okay, guys, stay back. I'm just going to destroy this door. Oh my goodness, it's not good. Hold on for a second. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Finally, I can go out. Okay, guys, hold on. Let me go grab something. Okay, let's go. That's so scary. Yeah, I didn't thought of that.